To set up a MetaMask wallet, follow these steps. Install MetaMask. Visit the official MetaMask website, metamask.io, or use the browser extension store for your web browser, e.g., Chrome, Firefox. Download and install the MetaMask extension. Create a wallet. A. Click on the MetaMask icon in your browser's extension bar. B. Click Get Started on the MetaMask pop-up. C. Click Create a wallet. D. Set a strong password for your wallet. Ensure it's secure and unique. E. Click I agree to accept the terms and conditions. F. You will be shown a set of 12 or 24 recovery seed words. Write these down on a piece of paper and store them securely offline. This is crucial for wallet recovery in case you forget your password. Confirm your seed phrase. After writing down your seed phrase, you'll be asked to confirm it by selecting the words in the correct order. This ensures you've recorded it correctly. Wallet is ready. Once your seed phrase is confirmed, your MetaMask wallet is set up and ready to use. You can now add funds, manage cryptocurrencies, and interact with decentralized applications, DApps, within the MetaMask interface. Connect to a network. A. By default, MetaMask is often set to the Ethereum mainnet. You can switch networks by clicking on the network name at the top of the MetaMask window. B. You can add custom networks or switch to popular testnets like Ropson or Binance Smart Chain as needed. Secure your wallet. It's essential to keep your wallet secure. Never share your seed phrase with anyone, and be cautious of phishing websites or scams. MetaMask will never ask for your seed phrase online. Add tokens. To manage tokens in your wallet, click on Assets, and then Add Token. You can add various tokens by entering their contract addresses. Remember to back up your seed phrase securely, and always exercise caution when interacting with cryptocurrencies and blockchain applications.